Guys, I will add a dried parsley, oregano. That's how I like mine. So so I will add just a slime of cheese, and we are ready to go. So this is it, guys. Enjoy this. So this is it, guys. Lunch served. Thank you for coming. See you in my next video. Like and subscribe. Follow us for more amazing video. Look at that, creamy and cheesy. So guys, today is a cooking day. I'm cooking a quick pasta. Enjoy my recipe. Mixed pepper, onion, paprika, some seasoning powder, pinch of salt. So I'll just give it a quick stir, guys. I would like to be here for like 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. Forgive me, guys. I'm holding my camera. It's a quick one. I'm adding this 3 flakes of pepper. Another stir, guys. So it has been here 2 minutes. So we'll leave it to simmer again for another 2 seconds. I'll add in my pasta. This is the quantity that what I will do, I will go and add it to my blender and blend. Slime. Guys, at this point our pasta is ready. I'll turn off the gas, then I'll serve it. About to be, guys. I'll add a dried parsley, like mine, so then I will add just a slime of cheese, and we are ready to go. So this is it, guys. Enjoy this simple pasta recipe.